Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ganesh Chand Notial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to helping solving mathematical problem in easily and understanding. Sometimes we know the how to solve it, but we confuse in some question. So today we learn how to remove our confusion in any trigonometric question. So our topic is trigonometric identity. Previous video we have already learned that the trigonometric ratio sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec, sec, all these are to relation between perpendicular base and hypotenuse. And also sine is inverse of cosec and cosec inverse of sine. Similarly, cos, sec and tan, cot are inverse to each other. And we have already learned that the sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 and sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Similarly, cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. These identity are used in transfer in one to another. And we learned that all these six identity are in circle. So we can convert any one to any all others. So today's we learn how to solve it. And first question. Write all trigonometric identity with the sign A. Sign A means I have to write all trigonometric ratio in form of sin A. Means equal to sin A equation and conditions. So sin A. I have in the last classes I make a circuit sin A. It is the circle. Circle means sin A connected to cos A with the square identity. If we use square identity, then we can change sin to cos and cos to sin because it is changeable in both directions. It is square identity. Square identity, we have formula is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Similarly, cos A connected to sec A by inverse formula because cos sec are inverse to each other. And in this way, all these things are connected to each other. Again, I am repeating, sine is connected to square formula with cos A and cos A connected to with inverse formula from sec A and sec A connected to tan A with square formula and tan A connected to cot A with square inverse formula and cot A connected to cosec A with square formula and cosec A connected to sin A with inverse formula. Means all things are connected to each other. But in this question we have given sin A. Means we have starting point is sin A which are given, that is the starting point. So first you write sin A as it is. Means we have find one trigonometric ratio of this equal with the form of sin. Sin A is sin A. Then if we want to find cosec A, then we know that cosec A cosec A is equal to 1 upon sin A. So we have find two value in sin form. First sin A, second 1 upon sin A. Sin A is sin A and cosec A is equal to 1 upon sin A. Now we have used the formula of square identity. Generally I use cosec A and sin A. Sin A square formula with the cosec cos A. We know that cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Sin square A. Then cos A value is cos A value. Take the square root of both sides. Then we get cos A value. Then cos A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. It is third value. So we have already find sin, cosec and cos. Next step, cos is connected to sec A with the inverse formula. So sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A. And also we know that it is the inverse of this, means sec A is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus sine square A. Means sec A is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus sine square A. So we already convert sec A in sine A. Four things are converted. Sec A is connected to tan with square formula, but I take generally in inverse formula. So cosec A is this. Cosec A connected to cot A with square formula. So we find cot square A is equal to cot square A equal to cosec square A minus 1. Cosec square A minus 1 is this. Then we write the value of cosec A from this and solve. Cot square A. Cosec square A is equal to 1 upon sine square A. Sine square A minus 1, take LCM. Sine square A is LCM. Then in numerator 1 minus sine square A. It is our answer. And now we take the square root again because we want to find cot A, not cot square A. So cot A is equal to square root of root 1 minus sine square A. Because we cannot find the square root and factorization when in middle terms is plus minus, we can take only in common method. So, and sine square A root is root upon sine A upon sine A. So we have find 5 things in the form of sine A. In last, cot A connected to tan A with inverse formula, means tan A is opposite of cot A. Tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A, and means it is opposite of previous terms, sine A upon root 1 minus sine square A. It is the 6 things, and we have know that all 6 things are come in value of sine. So by this method we can change any cos A, sec A, cot A, tan A, cosec A, all these things in any others. Always remember that in starting point which are given, we go in square side only 2 steps. In square side only 2 steps. First take the square identity, then take inverse. Only this. First square identity, then inverse. And we take 3 steps of inverse side. Means first take inverse, square, inverse. Is inverse, square, inverse. This is 3 steps. So we can find it by the all these value in from any point. By similar way, we can find all these by cosec A, by cot A, by tan A, by sec A, and by cos A. But always remember that in inverse side we goes 3 steps and square side we goes 2 steps. By this method we can calculate the any trigonometric ratio in any form. So thank you for watching this video.